In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow hosting explained. If you're new to Webflow, this is a great place to start because it combines website design, content management, and hosting in one platform. And that means you can go from idea to live website without needing to stitch together a lot of separate tools. The first thing you'll want to do is create a free account on Webflow. And this lets you explore the platform, open the designer, and begin building without committing right away. It's a good way to get familiar with the interface before you publish anything publicly. Once you're inside, you can choose how you want to begin your project. You can start completely from scratch if you want full creative control, choose from Webflow's template library if you want a faster starting point, or use the built-in AI site builder to generate a layout from a simple text prompt. This is especially helpful if you want to move quickly or need inspiration for structure and page sections. As you begin designing, it helps to understand how the Webflow designer works. The system is built around a boxes within boxes concept, which is essentially how web pages are structured using HTML elements. You'll drag items like sections, containers, div blocks, and text elements directly onto the canvas. If that sounds technical, don't worry. The visual editor makes it much easier to understand as you build, and over time you'll start to see how each element fits inside another. To style your site, use the panel on the right-hand side. This is where you can control things like size, spacing, colors, fonts, and alignment. It's also where Webflow becomes especially powerful because you can build more advanced interactions and page transitions visually without having to code them manually. A good tip here is to make small adjustments as you go so you can clearly see what each setting changes. If your website needs repeatable content like blog posts, portfolio projects, or products, you can use the Webflow CMS. This allows you to create dynamic, data-driven pages. Instead of designing every page one by one, you build the structure once and connect it to your content. Then when you update an item in the CMS, those changes automatically appear anywhere that content is used across the site. Before publishing, make sure to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This helps you confirm that your design is responsive and looks good on different screen sizes. That final check is important because a site that looks great on desktop may still need spacing or layout adjustments on smaller devices. When everything looks the way you want, you can use Webflow's one-click hosting to publish your site to the web. That simple publishing flow is one of the biggest advantages of using Webflow because it makes launching your site fast and straightforward.